cheddar. What? I don't want your string cheese. That's the third string cheese.
No,
I don't want it either, thank you.
Eat it.
What are you doing, Ruby?
Here you go, Ruby.
Are you making a pizza?
Here, pizza.
Hey, Maximus, what are you doing?
Look at Ruby. I mean, look at your mama. Look at mama.
Where's my string cheese?
Where's my string cheese?
Here's your string cheese. Oh.
Hey, Maximus, what are you guys making? What are you guys making?
Oh, smoky fire.
Tell me. What are you making?
Maxie, what is this? Now she's taking the pizza that I gave her and putting it on the pizza. It'll all work out, won't it, Ruby? There'll be cheese on that pizza.
Mm-hmm. And there'll be cheese in her tummy. Yeah, she's doing a good job now. She's layering some serious cheese on that pizza.
This crust for some reason.